Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? Good, you doing good, Chris? All right. So, I thought we'd bring y'all somewhere different. My wife did actually. We are in Bastrop, Texas, and this location where we're gonna go eat is where they filmed Chainsaw Massacre. This is the Chainsaw Massacre house, so let's go check it out. All right. So we're walking up to the gas station / barbecue. Oh my goodness. Let me let everybody pass me up here. I want to go see this. Okay, so we got an old truck here. Ooh, there's the barbecue pit. There's an old truck. There is a sign. We slaughter barbecue and people. Let's get a little better shot here. See the original patio here. Let's see if I can get around here, everybody. Toby Hooper. All right, memory of those. Look, I got that tattoo on me. There's the tie. What is this? Is Grandpa? Where's Grandpa, man? His hammer, chainsaw, cool little bitch. All right. So now we're gonna walk inside here. Oh wow. Okay, so it's also where they sell collectibles. Got Creep Show. Oh yeah, the Pizza Face Chucky. Oh, we're here to eat, really, but
I was like, I'm gonna get the fuck out. I swear.
Alright, so they sell all kinds of stuff. There's They Live. Some Iron Maiden. Killer Clowns. These cool masks. Toxic Avenger. Man. Yeah, we got a statue, but we don't have that one. Fire. Where do you even go eat at?
I don't know.
Old School Turtles. Alright, we gotta go find out where we eat, how we eat. Ooh, 75? I might buy that one. Might buy that one. Ooh. 25 for Freddy. Groundbreaker. Found Annabelle.
I swear, it was so different. And I'm like,
Ooh. Got Leatherface. Look at the eyes on there. Really cool. Oh, look at that. A movie poster for Texas Chainsaw 2 with the DJ. That was a funny one. This one's only $100. That's a good deal on this. Let's see. Annabelle, kind of, if you can see. And Human Choice Cuts. Of course. Alright, we're gonna go see what the food's like now. We ordered our barbecue. You go in the collectible store and you order there. Kind of like you're buying a toy or something, but you tell them what kind of barbecue you want. I'll show you the menu in a second. And now, hey, hello. Turn around the back. Looks like they have cabins you can stay at. Oh, there's the van. Let's go over there. Alright. Look at that. That is the van that the guys were driving around. Oh, there's my wife. She's excited too.
I do want to see it.
This is where they picked up the crazy hitchhiker. Get out of the glare for y'all. Part of the motor? Wow, that's how that was back then. Can I open it? Let's see. I'd like to get some good pictures for you. It's so dusty. Oh look, the back is open. Kind of. There we go. This is what's left of the van, I guess. Wow. That's cool.
I know.
Chainsaw Massacre van. Where nothing good happened. 4 teenagers on a road trip. Here we are. We found their van. My wife did. And we're gonna eat people meat. Oh yeah, y'all should check out that van. It's really neat. It's the one from the movie.
It looks cool.
And here is their menu. It's called The Gas Station. This is their address. Little paper menu. Like I said, you know, you just go over this and you pay the guy up there. And it's not bad. The combo plate is what I got. The brisket and sausage with 2 sides. Chili. Oh, and then I added some pecan pie because I had to. And then we got some nachos. Looks like. Okay, we'll show you what they got and see how it is. I mean, it's a good price. Alright, we noticed this a minute ago. Look at that. Bucket of guts. Guy hanging there. Crazy, crazy stuff. Let me back up a little bit here. You get the whole view. That's nuts. Well, I like it. All right, we got our food here. There is the brisket. I got jalapeno sausage, I think. Okay, you get beans, potato salad, and then you got coleslaw potato salad. These are brisket nachos here. We all pretty much got the same thing.
Yeah.
Well, so their menu's not see. Yeah, their menu's not crazy huge, but you do something good, just kind of keep it simple. All right, so I made a little sandwich, kind of. We're gonna see. Pretty good sandwich here. I like the brisket.
Or else.
Yeah, or else. They'll get me. I gotta say that. But I think it's kind of hard to mess up a brisket. I've only had one weird brisket one time. That was a strange one, but this is good. This is good. This is the gas station in Bastrop, Texas. Here is a slice of their pecan pie.
I like it like that with pieces like that.
You like it like that with pieces like that?
Because you can eat it more. Like,
oh yeah, instead of like the whole pecan?
Yeah.
Me, I just like pecan pie. Not too picky. I ate my whole plate. There's my Diet Coke. She's pretty much done. Check this out. That was very good. What do you think, Mama?
It's good.
It's got a lot of pecans on it. So, all in all, it's been a fun experience here. Our barbecue. Got some people trying to reenact something over there. And like the movie, they have an outhouse for our restaurant. So my wife is gonna hang me from this thing here. Oh, that sucked. Here's this guy. Oh, poor man. Oh my goodness.
That reminds me of that show.
Oh yeah, what shows are they? Like tacos on a stick, spaghetti on a stick. This truck here, everything on sticks. It's just parked out here. See what I film this? Okay. You know what? Let me hit record. All right, We Slaughter Barbecue. That's the place. That's the sign. There's the old truck. Custom barbecue pit. Look at that. What's that temperature say? Oh yeah, that's good right there. All right, we're gonna browse in here a little bit. Let's see. Got a bunch of patches. Ooh, a little diorama. My wife was drawn to this. Like little leather faces, little tiny leather faces. All right. Everywhere I go, everywhere I see Funko. I have enough Funko. Kind of stopped buying them. This one's neat. Gomez Adams. And they have Elvira the Diamond one. A lot of Iron Maiden.
Yeah.
Oh, lots of fun. Well, you can also put them in green light or green screen. Look at this Exorcist up here, guys. My wife pointed out. Look at Chucky's face back there. Ooh.
I know, they got the whole...
A little overweight Chucky. That's a big, giant Chucky. Wonder what's going $500?
Oh, look.
Oh, my favorite guy. Let's see what he looks like.
Okay.
I've got a few creatures. Let's see what this one looks like.
Oh,
What's the
wow,
black
that
and white
looks
movie?
really good.
Oh, looks really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Bam.
Predator.
Oh, Predator. Yeah, you can't lose a Predator. I have this one. I brought this up.
Look how good that one looks too.
Ooh, that is a nice Predator.
That's crazy.
This one got messed up during Hurricane Harvey. No, it was this one. It was this one here.
Oh, yeah.
The box got messed up. Well, no, but it actually has a figure in there, so I don't know.
Oh, wow, they got the... Oh my gosh, they actually look good. He said he actually looks like
They look like the people.
the person in this one. Oh my gosh, that's actually pretty cool.
Cool. They have Creep Show here. There's some good prices on statues, guys.
Oh my goodness. You throw it away somewhere?
I got a Friday the 13th guy. That's a good price on that one. $200. Yeah, mine is a little different. Well, they're all pretty much
That looks really
different.
Wait, it says with sound.
With sound? Oh,
Wow.
it's got the tie on and everything.
Oh, the thing?
The
I like the
thing.
way they made the
Yeah, they got everything.
outline of the little snow.
Oh, Ash.
Gosh, some of these figures are really good.
Yeah, a lot of these figures look really good.
I mean, look how good that looks.
Ooh, so Michael Myers.
Because you ever see some?
Yeah, some just look jacked. Like, it's.
You know they got it from TV.
Yeah, like, Temu zombies.
There's some good stuff on TV.
Lunchbox. Ninja Turtles. Oh, yeah, they have some crazy Ninja Turtles.
Oh, this is the Hunchback ones. Oh, wow. They're really Hunchback. I don't think we were really into the Hunchbacks.
No.
No, like...
What are these shirts? What's are these? I got some Halloween shirts like that at home. I wear them out sometimes. Funny. Oh my. There's some more Chucky stuff. Man, these are huge too. Look at this. $700 for that big Pennywise? Oh man. Dude, that's
What's
really
right over
cool.
here, from here to here on the second shelf.
Apparently there's even an album for Texas Chainsaw 2. I can't get over this Pennywise, so it's huge. All right, well that's gonna do it from the gas station for Chainsaw Massacre. We're gonna go drive around. Maybe we'll find something else. Maybe we won't. But thank you for joining us here, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Just thought I'd add this. This is an old sign that has been here forever for the gas station barbecue place.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I'm recording.
I thought I wasn't recording. Alright, there we go. I don't want the person anyway.
Somewhere in Bastrop, Texas.
So pretty.
Way back from the Chainsaw Massacre gas station.